Hello guys, good morning. I'm here right now sa bahay namin. Dito sa rest house namin, no. So yun. Yan. And grabe ang gipapakyaw na nako ning rambutan pero wag ya po nahurot. Grabe sige ya po pamunga. Awang rambutan na mo guys, so. No? Perting pulaha. Grabe, very sweet. And on the other side, daghan kay lansones. So, I don't know what happened to Mama Kiaway. No, kung anong nawala matug kalit. I'll try to check kung asa to sila. Pero nakagita sa tugkara na mo, guys. No? Grabe guys, pamunga. Praise the Lord kayo. Yeah. We have also here underground. Diyan ako nakatkalutan si Yamashita. This is my rest house and I'm staying here for quite some time already since pandemic because I started to love this place. And thankful my daughter grew up here well. See you guys. Bye. Pulang-pula nga eh. Then I'm just using my serum. Initial reaction, hindi naman siya namula. It's getting nice. Thank you.